Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites: network access, service health, and admin rights. Once done, stop real-time scanning and place the client in maintenance to avoid file locks. Next, force a definitions update using the management console or run the local updater command. Watch the console for error codes. Make sure the system clock is correct and DNS resolves update hosts, because time or DNS mismatches often cause failures. After the initial update attempt, record any error messages for the next steps. You now dig into diagnostics. Open client and server logs to identify authentication, network, or file corruption errors. If definitions are corrupted, repair the local store or database and clear any update cache. This prevents repeated failures. Once repaired, import fresh definition packages offline or push a verified package from the management server. Make sure to test on one machine before broad rollout so you avoid repeating a bad update. If authentication failed, reissue or reconfigure the service account. You finish by confirming the client shows the latest definition version and then run a full scan to validate protection. Once successful, re-enable scheduled updates and real-time protection and watch update behavior for the next 24 hours. If updates fail again, collect targeted logs, compare package checksums, and test an offline install to isolate network issues. One key tip: when all else fails, reproduce the failure on a clean test machine and include that evidence when escalating to vendor support so they can resolve the root cause faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.